Okay, so say that they asked you a more difficult quadratic sequence question, like they said that the following is a quadratic sequence and you need to calculate the value of x. So you already know it's a quadratic sequence, which means you know that this second difference here is equal to each other. So we know it's equal to 2a, but in this case, we don't need to work that out. All they're asking for is the value of x. So we know that these two values here are the same. Well, we know to work out the second difference, it's 17 minus x, right? And then the difference between these two will be 2x plus 1 minus 17. So those would be your two second differences. And what you do is you just make them equal to each other.
Yeah.
And so we take that x across, minus x becomes 3x, because negative becomes positive. These go through to the other side, 17 minus 17 becomes plus 17 minus 1. So that's 33. And we get x is equal to 11. And if we sub that in, this would be 23, and this would be 11. And we can see it's a common difference of 6. So this top row, they could change as well. They could make this x's. And so what you would do is you would then bring those x's down to the bottom. And then by getting your first difference. So it would just be an extra step. But when you see x's, don't worry about it. All you just do is you follow the same procedure that you normally would, but you just substitute in x's. And then the key is knowing that the second difference is also the same. And that should be fine.